Hello there everyone, today we're doing one starter pack, one blaster box and one retail box of Footy Stars 2025. First we'd like to say a bit of a well done to Xavier Lindsay from the Mighty D's on his round 7 Rising Star nomination. We got number 59 of 230 ordered. That's pretty cool. Always make sure I get all the Demons, Rising Stars and highlights. And looking forward to these debutante cards that should be coming in pretty soon as well. So let's open this bad boy up and whoa. Let's see what hits we can get, folks. So we got our 3 packets and our luminous packet. Let's go. Oh, we start off with a Lightning Thunderbolt with a Josh Weddle from the Hawks, Thunderbolt base. Oh, looks like we've got a Luminous Superstars. Oh, that's a good start. Ebony Marinoff says today we have Jaden Short from the Tigers. Oh, that's an awesome hit. Oh, and we got a footy head. Yay, we got a footy head. Woo! Bobby Hill from the Pies. Hello, Bobby. So let's have a look. Well, that's number 137 of 199, and a good way to start the box off with. And we've got another Thunderbolt. We've got Harvey Thomas from the Giants. Thunderbolt base. Oh, that's a good starter pack. Let's have a look at the Luminous pack, see if we might score something. Oh, we just got a straight Bradley Hill Luminous base. I think I actually might need that one. I need about 9 of them, I think. Not many to go. Alright, now let's get this blaster box out of the way. Try and keep a steady hand with the Sword of Greatness. Okay, empty box. We got 1, 2, Pink Dragon, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 packets. We'll open up our Pink Dragons first. Wow. Rip that packet open, Brad. So we've got the Chad and Caleb Sarong from the Dockers. Okay, 10 packets. Let's see if we can get some hits in here. Oh, we start with the Milestone Games. Isaac Heaney from the Swans. 200 games. And Brent Daniels from the Giants. Cool. Oh, Luminous Thunderbolt. Jeremy Sharp from the Dockers, just a Thunderbolt base. I think I say that more, more than ever. Just a Thunderbolt base. We got our footy heads, James Rowbottom from the Suns and a Sam Durham Luminous base. So we've got a breakout, Ollie Hollands from the Blues and a Tom Liberatore Luminous base. Oh, we've got a Dragon 1, Cam Rayner from the Lions. That's cool. Another nice little hit there. And what number is it? Number 231 of 799. Excellent. The beauty of it. We don't know what we're going to get. Oh, we got a nice epic red Noah Bolter from the Tigers. And a Sam De Koning Luminous Base. We've got a Footy Heads, Mr. Jake Lever from the Mighty Demons, and a Tom De Koning Luminous Base. Oh. Another Footy Heads, Elijah Hollands from the Blues, and a Josh Rochelle Thunderbolt Base. Oh, good old Footy Heads. Look at that. Caleb Sarong from the Dockers. And a Ben McKay Luminous Thunderbolt Base. Okay, our favourite part. Last packet magic. Come on, guys. Let's go. Oh, last packet. Breakout, sorry. Mitch Owens Luminous Base and a Finn Callahan Breakout. Cool. Alright, that leads up to the main event. We have our to score an instant win or a golden ticket. We'll see how we go. Wow. We'll see if all the hits are at the bottom of the box again. Let's go. Woohoo! Oh, we start with an epic red Lockie Neal from the Lions and a Tom Papley Luminous Base. We got a Milestone Games Brody Grundy from the Swans and a Don Sheed Luminous Base. Oh, we got a Thunderbolt, Caden Coleman, Thunderbolt Base. Milestone Games, Jake Kelly, 150 games for the Bombers and a Bo McCreary Luminous Base. Thunderbolt, Liam Duggan for the Eagles, Thunderbolt Base. Ah, just that excitement of hoping that it's the gold one. We got our beloved Footy Heads, Mr. That's Butters, and a Josh Kelly Luminous Base. We got a breakout, Charlie Curnow from the Blues and a Cody Waitman Luminous Base. Footy Heads again, Elliot Yeo from the Eagles and a Lockie Leal Luminous Base. Powering through the packets here, I just had my Dare Ice coffee. Getting through them. Jeremy Cameron Breakout and a Jeremy Sharp Luminous Base. Oh, we can see already that it's the Golden Dragon. There we go. And we've got, Aiden Core from the Roos. We'll get him sleeved up. And we've got a 125 of 399. Awesome. We'll start the box hits off with a pretty cool one. Footy Heads, Nick Larkey from the Roos, and a Mitchell Hinge Thunderbolt base from the Crows. We got a Team Dragon. Braden Maynard from the Pies. Oh, we better get a sleeve. Where are you, sleeves of greatness? Everything's of greatness. 505 of 799. Awesome. Another epic red. We've got the Jacob Van Ruin. And Wizard Nick Watson, Luminous base. Terrible goal kicking by the D's yesterday. Got to improve that. Come on, got to get there. Start getting those wins again. Oh, we got Ginnivan, Thunderbolt, base. Footy Heads, Jed Walter from the Suns, and a Todd Marshall, Luminous base. We've got a Thunderbolt, Oliver Dempsey from the Cats, and we have a Thunderbolt Gold. Whee! And I believe it's this entry. Oop, that way. 100 of 399. Excellent. Raise the bat to that one. Another Footy Head, Sam Darcy from the Doggies, and a Trent Rivers, Luminous base. Milestone Games, Jack Lukosius from the Suns, now I believe the Power, and an Andy McGrath, Luminous base. Oop, don't fall over playing cards. Of infamy, there we go, not of greatness. Oh, we got Keziah! We always manage a Keziah card. And a Zane Dersma, Thunderbolt base. Oh, we got another Dragon Scales with a red background. Bonnie Too Good says it's Ben Ainsworth from the Gold Coast. Number 395. Oh, that sleeve's a bit wrecked. 395 of 799. Wonderful. Ha ha ha. Footy Heads, Jack Steele from the Saints with a Jaden Short, Luminous space. Breakout, Sam Durham from the Bombers, and a Dramara, Luminous space. Milestone Game, Seb Ross from the Saints, and a Jason Horn-Francis, Luminous base. Ooh. No, everything's about to fall over. Just like me. Oh, so tired. We've got Footy Heads, of course. Nick Philoston from the Tigers and a Callum Wilkie luminous base. Come on, let's go with a myriad or a golden ticket. Breakout, Daryl Golden, from the Swannies and a Jai Simpkin luminous base. We got a Thunderbolt, Tom Liberatore, Thunderbolt base. Footy Head, Sam Walsh from the Blues and a Nick Martin luminous base. Another Thunderbolt, we got Patrick Dangerfield, Thunderbolt base. Alright. We got our favourite card. We got a Nick Newman luminous base. And let's get ready for it. Haley Miller says it's time for a boom! Dion Prestia from the Tigers. Haha. There we go. And what number did Mr. Prestia? Oh, geez. 341 of 360. That's not bad. Bit of a Tigers theme today, that's alright. Oh, shish kebabs. Shish kebabs. Oh, we got the breakout. Tom Brown from the Tigers and a Dion Prestia luminous base. We got another Thunderbolt, Rowan Marshall from the Saints, Thunderbolt base. Footy Heads, Tom Papley from the Swannies and the Brian Myers luminous base. Oh, we got a predictor, folks. We've got a predictor. Wait. Accompanied by Naziah Wangamin Miller from Parts Unknown. We've got a rising star predictor for the Western Bulldogs. Woo-hoo-hoo. Oh, that's a good hit. Oh. One sleeve at a time, Brad. One sleeve at a time. Awesome. Let's see what number we've got. Oh, number 35 of 220. Wow, that's a good hit. Excellent. Would have been good last year. Oh, even though Sam Darcy got suspended, but all good. Footy Heads, Hayden Young from the Dockers and Jordan Clark, Thunderbolt base from the Dockers as well. Excellent. Breakout, we got the Caleb Windsor from the Mighty D's and a Lachlan Shoal luminous base. Oh, and here it is once again. I'll show you there. Nice empty box. Last packet magic. Let's go. Oh, it's our favourite. Last packet Footy Heads. Jeremy Cameron from the Cats and a James Sicily luminous base. Oh, look at that. Fits in neatly, snugly, greatly. Oh, let's have a look at the hits we got from all that. So all up, not a bad number of hits, I think. We got our Oliver Dempsey Thunderbolt Gold, Aiden Core, Golden Dragon, Ben Ainsworth, Braden Maynard, Cam Rayner. Our Booze belongs to Dion Prestia. Our Jaden Shaw, Luminous Superstars, and a Rising Star Predictor from the Western Bulldogs. Excellent. Another good round of hits there. Well, thank you very much for tuning in today, and I hope you enjoyed another load of packets being opened, and I'll keep bringing more and more to you. Have a nice day. See you in the future. Bye.